Hello dear brothers and sisters, hopefully all of you well and having really good time. Alhamdulillah, I'm having great time so far. So how about your English? Please let me know first, then I would like to start my video, my dear brother and sister. Today's weather is so amazing and please do you love it? Please let me know, and the weather is so picturesque. I really love it. I hope you must love this kind of weather. So today in this video what I want to understand with the things is so important. Just work on yourself. Just believe in yourself. Sometimes you will notice one thing very clearly. People don't love you. You are doing great, man. That's why people feel so anxious, so anxiety. So that's why it doesn't matter. You have to accept it. Just focus on yourself. Just believe in yourself. That can change your life. And this is the only one thing we have to talk about. This is so necessary things. And that's why we have to talk about. And that's why I want to talk about these things actually. Dear brothers and sisters, every day we're facing the same problem. People don't love you. I know very well. You're doing great. You want to achieve your goal. Just believe in yourself. Don't focus on the people. Sometimes I get the same question. People ask me, brother, please tell me how many hours do you practice every day? Please tell me. Dear brothers and sisters, I never ever count how many hours I practice every day. I just trying to my level best. I'm just trying to my level best. I don't focus how many hours I practice every day. Just I believe in myself and I am trying to level best, and this is the thing I'm doing every day. So you should think about yourself, don't think about other people. Just focus on your goal. This is the thing I try to understand, my dear brothers and sisters. Actually, you know very well we have to talk about lots of things, but we don't need to talk about lots of things right now. What do we need to talk about right now? We need to talk about actually most common things is so necessary for our life. Just focus on yourself and don't focus on the people, and keep in mind that practice makes someone perfect, and if you do practice, that means you are learning so many things from although you're making so many mistakes, I know very well, and every learner makes mistake, even native speaker makes mistakes, so it doesn't matter. It's not big deal, dear brothers and sisters. Just focus on yourself and keep going, and you have to go through right way. So if I do any mistakes, please forgive me, and see you some another video. All the best. Bye bye.